Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check in the Air Arabia application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app, wait a little bit until it loads in, and once you're in the home page you should look at the top of your right corner and you will find there 3 lines. Press on them, and after that you can see down below in the middle the check-in section. Press on that. And here you have to write in first your PIN year. I just going to write in some numbers, the departure date, press OK, and the departure airport. And finally just have to press find booking. Now in this case, obviously it's not going to find anything because the information I have provided is random, but in case the info that you provide is legitimate and it's okay, you should definitely be able to check in. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.